viewers to another exciting episode of our math class. Hope you've been having a great time at home solving mathematical equations. Now in today's class, we're looking at linear inequalities, how to solve linear inequalities. Now just like our previous episode, I'll be looking at algebraic processes. It's the same method you apply solving algebraic processes. That is the same method you still apply solving linear inequalities. Now let's look at few examples quickly. And before I look at the examples, there are some things I need to show you when solving linear inequalities. There are some symbols you have to know. Now these symbols are, now when you have a symbol this way, this means greater than. This is greater than. Now when I have a symbol like this is less than. When I have this is greater than or equals to. When you have this is less than or equals to. Now these are the symbols you'll be making use of when solving linear inequalities. Now let's look at the main example. Let's look at a few examples quickly. Now example 1. Simplify 3s plus 4. Okay, let's say 3s minus 4 is less than or equals to 11. Now I have a question like this. I want to simplify this question. So I'm going to have 3s is less than or equals to 11 plus 4. Now what I just did here was that I just collected like terms. I took this minus 4 to this other side. That changed to plus 4. So I'm going to have 11 plus 4. That is going to give us 15. So you have 3s is less than or equals to 15. So at this point I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Since I'm looking for this coefficient s. So I'm going to write divide both side by 3. So I'm going to have 3s over 3 less than or equals to 15 over 3. So this 3 cancel this 3 here. 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So my s here is s is less than or equals to 5. So this is my s is less than or equals to 5. So this is the solution of this example. Now let's look at example 2 quickly. Now when solving linear inequalities, there are times that your symbol, or let's say sign, will change. So when I have a negative sign, I'm dividing by the negative sign. So my symbol will change. Now let's look at an example, a typical example. Let's look at an example there, which is going to be my example 2. Solve. Now I have solve I have 6 here in bracket. S minus 5 is greater than or equals to 7 in bracket. S minus 2. So I have a question like, how do I simplify this question? Now for those that missed my previous episode, you can always go back to check how we simplify a bracket, how we open up a bracket. So we're going to do this quickly. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to do this s. I'm going to use this number 6 to multiply everything in the bracket. So this is going to give us this 6 times s. That will give us 6s. 6 times 5. So that gives us minus 30 is greater than or equals to 7 times s. That gives us 7s. 7 times 2, that gives us minus 14. So I'm going to collect like terms here. So this is going to give us 6s. Now this 7s coming to this other side, change to that will give us minus 7 s is less than minus 30 going to the other side will give us minus 14. So this is going to give us 6s minus 7s. That will give us minus s. Minus s is less than minus 30 minus 40. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these two. I'm going to add 30 plus 14 together. That will give us 44. So Don't forget I will still have what? A negative sign in between the two numbers. So I'm going to just take one of the negative signs. So that's going to give us what? Minus 44. So I'm going to divide both sides by what? Minus what? 1. Now, when you are given a question like this, my coefficient here in this minus s is what? Minus 1. So I'm going to divide by the what? Coefficient, which is minus 1 here. So I divide both sides. Divide both sides by what? Minus what? 1, which is what? My coefficient. So I'm going to have what? Minus s divided by minus 1 is greater than or equals to what? Minus 44 over what? Minus what? 1. Now I told you earlier on that when you are dividing by what? A negative, your sign will what? Change. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wipe off this what? My sign here. So I'm going to change that sign to what? Less than or what? Equals to. So this minus cancel this minus here. So I have what? My s now. Minus will cancel this minus here also. So I'm going to have what? My s is less than what? Equals to what? 44. So this will be my what? Answer. So my s is less than what? Equals to what? 44. So that's my what? Answer. So let's look at what? The last example, which is what? My example 3. So I want to wipe this up. Now example 3. Example what? 3. Now when I have what? Let's say we should what? Evaluate 1/3 in bracket what? S plus what? 2 close the bracket is what? Is less than what? 3 in bracket what? What is it called? Let's say, okay, let's say 2 plus what? S. Now I have a question like this. I want to evaluate this question. How do I evaluate the question? So I'm going to use this 1/3 to multiply everything in what? Bracket. So that will give us what? 1 times S, that will give us what? 1 over what? 3s. So this will give us s. Don't forget that. Now putting 1, just put what? S there. Plus what? 2 over what? 3 is less than what? 3 times 2, that will give us what? 6. 6 plus what? 3 times 8, that will give us what? 3s. So I've opened up the bracket. What I'm going to do, I'm going to collect like terms. So this is going to give us what? S over what? 3. Take this plus 3 to the other side, change to what? Minus 3s is greater than 6 minus what? 2 over what? 3. So at this point, what I'm going to do here is to what? Simplify this separate or simplify this what? Separate. So I'm going to have what? So instead to simplify something like this, just say 3 times 3s, that gives us what? S. 3 times 3, that gives us what? That gives us what? 9s over what? 3 is greater than 3 times 6, that gives us what? 18. 18 minus what? 2 over what? 3. So this one, what I'm going to do now is to what? So just bring, like, I'm going to bring this to this place, then this to what? This place. So that will give us what? This is going to give us what? 3 in brackets s minus 9s less greater than what? 3 in bracket what? 18 minus what? 2. So let me wipe this off. So this 3 times s, that will give us what? 3s minus what? 3 times 9, that is going to give us what? 27. 27 what? S. 3 times that is going to give us what? 27 is greater than what? 3 times 18. And let's do that quickly. 3 times what? 18 times 3. 3 times 8. 8 plus 8 is what? 16. 16 plus 8, that was what? 24. 3 times 8 is what? 24. I'm going to write 4, carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus that 2 is what? 50 what? 4. So that's going to give us what? 3 times 18, that will give us what? 54 minus what? 3 times 2, that will give us what? 6. So this is going to give us, so that 3 times s is 3s minus, okay, this is up here. So that will give us what? 54 minus what? 54 minus 6. So 3s minus 27, that will give us what? 24s is greater than what? 54 minus 6. So So that will give us what? 48. I think that will give us what? 48. That will give us what? So divide both sides by what? 24 quickly. So let's divide both sides by 24. So let's divide. So this 24 comes to this 24. S is greater than what? 48 over what? 24. So let's reduce this quickly because of our time. So I'm going to use, let's use 2 quickly. 2 here 2, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here what? 12. So 12 here 1, 12 in 24. So that gives us what? 2. So my S is what? Greater than what? 2. So I've simplified this equation as what? My S is greater than what? 2. I hope you guys you've learned today, and you can always what? Reach me by what? Email address, or you can give us a comment section below for more what? For more questions, or maybe you are not clear what I just saw on the board. You can always reach us via what? Email. Thank you.